Instagram stories are a powerful tool to boost your business growth and connect with your audience in real time. To get started, open Instagram and tap the camera icon at the top left to create a story. Use photos, videos, or even text to share behind-the-scenes moments, product launches, or special promotions. Make your stories engaging by using interactive features like polls, quizzes, questions, stickers, and countdowns to encourage followers to interact with your brand. You can also add location tags and hashtags to reach a wider audience. Consistency is key. Posting daily stories keeps your business top of mind. Don't forget to highlight your best stories on your profile using the highlights feature so new visitors can learn about your brand anytime. By sharing authentic, valuable content regularly, you build trust and encourage followers to engage and convert into customers. Instagram stories are a quick, creative way to grow your business and stand out from the competition.